Upwork, without a doubt, is a very, it's a great platform for those who want to work online as a freelancer. So, in case if you are willing to work online as a freelancer, I will definitely recommend Upwork. Upwork, previously known as, there were two companies. One was Odesk and one was Elance. I still remember I had an active account on Elance, and it was a merger between two companies, Odesk and Elance, which togetherly formed Upwork. So probably Odesk acquired Elance and they merged into a big freelancing company. It has a major chunk of freelancing share in the market. There are many professional buyers available over there due to their awesome support and the system they have designed for helping millions of people to sell their services, and millions of people as well who can buy those services, making a great combination. So this is a video for Upwork for tutorial, Upwork tutorial for beginners. So stay with me, because in this video I will be explaining step by step what are the things which are required to be successful in Upwork, and how you can start your own freelancing career with Upwork, and how you can be a successful person by working on Upwork. So let me make myself smaller. So what is Upwork? I told you already. I don't need to tell you already. So now moving on to choose a skill and learn. So you must be having a question in your mind on what skill I can work on and how can I work. So before moving on to Upwork, what people do is they first move to Upwork and come back, because so first learn a skill and then move to Upwork, because otherwise you will again have to come back. Why? Because you do not have a skill, and how you going to be successful over there. So in case if you want to be successful on Upwork, firstly you need to learn a skill. When I was in school, my teacher told me that learn any skill, but whatever you learn, become a master of that skill, and that is the key to success. And ultimately, so far what I have found is that is the ultimate key to success. Now the thing is, what skill I learn, what skill I can opt for. There are many skills. I will even show you. Let me open in front of you Upwork, and you can see there are many categories available. Even sky is the limit in choosing a category on Upwork. Like in this Upwork jobs and category description section, you can find ample of fields such as in support, technical support, customer support, admin support. You can see, okay, it's all up to whatever person you want to become, and then there will be certain options. For instance, you can see, for instance, if I want to become an expert in local SEO, what I'm going to do is I'm going to search Upwork on local SEO, and I'm going to see what kind of a job people do, and is I'm able to do that or not. So in case if you are not able to do that, what you have to do is you have to learn those skills and be a master of it. So how you can be a master? But first, before let's moving on to that part, understand what kind of jobs there are. First is, I search for a local SEO, and I've seen like a person seeking expert in optimizing images for local SEO, need help with Google Ad for my company. SEO and digital marketing expert. Even there is a subcategory, skill category. You can even select that, and you will be shown jobs related to local SEO. There are 313 jobs available right now. You can see that they are running ads. They are looking for instance, experienced SEO needed for e-commerce brand. So this is an e-commerce brand who is actually looking for a local SEO service. So what you have to do is you have to understand the job and understand, like, can I do it or not. For instance, this one is hi there, I have a card game brand that is looking for an SEO to help grow and scale the website. Currently there are quite a few revenue generating efforts. having around 30 to 50 people that I need some help. I also have another website that I would love to start automating, but this one is a high priority. So the question is, can you do that or not that? So that is actually the most important thing, like can you do that or not? So that is the thing. So what you have to do is, if you are not able to do it, what you have to do, you have to learn those skills. And what are the best websites to learn those skills? Okay, let me be honest with you, that YouTube is your best teacher. You are watching this video on YouTube, which makes you that, like, YouTube is your best teacher. But the good thing and the bad thing of YouTube is that it is free, and most people do not value the free content. But if you understand the value of free content, then there is nothing best than YouTube available online that can help you. Second thing is blogs. For instance, I have my own blog with the name of aliraza.co, where I educate, inform people about SEO, search and marketing, Google ads, Facebook ads, blogging, freelancing. That's what I teach over there. So in case if you are particularly want to learn, you can also follow different blogs. But in case if you ask me, what are those famous websites like paid where you can learn paid courses? So Skillshare and Udemy, they are also very famous and very common websites from where you can learn and master those skills, whatever skill you want to. I'm not saying to become a master in local SEO, but rather whatever you like or whatever you have interest in. Just deep around, look on any freelancing website of different category, different job posts, and you will be able to understand what what job I like, what job you like, and what job you can be a master in. Just pick that niche and just try to learn, and learn. And even if you are still want to do a practical experience, you can offer people free services, so you can get a portfolio designed for yourself. Now once you are able to do that, now moving on back to Upwork, what you have to do is you have to maintain your profile. Now let me show you my profile first. I do not primarily use Upwork for obtaining clients, but yes, I do use it as well. So if I have to move to my profile, let me show you my profile, but rather okay, so it may be asking, so I may have to pause it. So okay, here you go. This is my work profile. So in a successful freelancing profile, what you need to do is you need to have your own professional image, image, like I'm wearing a pen coat shirt, formal dressing, formal suiting, but whatever you may like, and then an attractive tagline, headline, and then a video explaining about what do you offer, what kind of a service you have. Okay, that can be a good added advantage in case if you are opening, and then explain about what you are doing, what services you are providing, and then here how many hours you are available per week, languages you can speak, ID verification, education. This is your work history. In case if you have, you can add portfolio as well and skills. So you can give up professional image. These are the certifications. These are verified by Upwork, verified by Creditly. This is my employment history, other experiences I am running. So that is how actually that makes a perfect profile on Upwork. I know my profile can be even better. There are certain professionals who have even better profiles than me. So what you have to do is you have to search on talent. For instance, if I'm looking for local SEO, I'm just gonna see who are offering this service, and I'm going to select the top guys and look over their profile to see what kind of thing I like in them, and that is how I can improve my profile. Just open their profile and see what attracted you the most, and just have, I'm not saying to do the copy paste, rather take inspiration from them and follow that method on your own profile. Once you are done with your maintaining your profile, now move on to the job types on Upwork. What kind of job types are available on Upwork? So there are 3 types of job types available. One is fixed jobs, one is hourly jobs, and one are catalog jobs. For instance, this is a job, and this is another job. I was just looking on. Okay, so let's say here move back, and let's say if I search again on local SEO. Okay, the two types, like hourly jobs and fixed jobs. Fixed job is that where you are being paid a certain fixed amount of money, like a total amount for a project, and an hourly job is where you are being paid for hours. Okay, let's even move to, let's say if I move to, let's say move to Google Ads. And let me see, uh, because I'm a Google Ads professional, so which is why I just wanna see what kind of jobs are available for me as well. I can show those to you as well. Okay, so now another thing you can see over here is, like, you have an option of being paid hourly, that is being shown hourly, and there is also fixed prices jobs available. So for instance, if I select from here fixed prices, only fixed prices jobs will now be shown to me, rather hourly jobs. In case if I'm not comfortable working hourly, like I'm simultaneously working on multiple projects, and so you can offer our fixed price jobs. We can see these are the fixed price jobs: $1,000, $400, different budgets for different posts. Now moving on to the third part, and that is a project catalog part. Here you can see that is just like a Fiverr, where you create your own gigs and you provide. For instance, in this industry, like this guy who has 728, I mean, for this guy 45, I mean 450 top reviews, and this guy, another guy who is offering $79 with 4.7. Okay, you can see the guy is offering 3 tiles. So with this category, you can create your own package and offer to the people on what services you are offering and what is your pricing for those offers. You can offer over here. So these are the catalog jobs. So now the question is how to find jobs. How to find jobs in Upwork is very easy thing. Once you are done with selecting your which kind of jobs you can do, once you are done with setting up your profile, once up you're doing on optimizing your skills, and now you are ready to get on jobs. Now move on to the Upwork, and now you are going to move on to this Upwork segment. Here you are going to find jobs. So once you select this, so apologies, this is not an issue for the slow internet, is not the issue of Upwork, but the issue is on my side. So now, because I have added skills on Upwork, they are giving me best matches. Second option is most recent jobs available in my skill set. Third is save jobs, with the jobs which I have saved, where I thought that I will reply later on when I get a time. These are the options here. So I can also select from search from here. For instance, I'm looking for jobs related to Google AdWords. I'm going to directly search over here and see the jobs here. I can even see these jobs. You can see these jobs, or even the most recent jobs. All are available here. Now I'm searching for Google AdWords job. So now it's taking time, so you guys need to get a good internet service for yourself. Okay, so now you can see, even here you can see jobs here, and you can also select jobs basis on different. If a buyer is looking for an entry level job, you can select those jobs here. Intermediate, if a guy is looking for a professional person only, you can sort out jobs based on experience level. Number of proposals already given to a specific job, you can sort out the. For instance, if you are looking for a jobs which has less than 5 proposals, there are 546 jobs available. You can select that, because the jobs where there are lesser proposals, there are higher chances of being selected. And now there's another option of my previous clients. uh, in case if I am looking for a job from a previous client, I can select that, and all jobs being posted by that client will be shown to me. Another option is payment verified, means those employees who have verified their payment method on Upwork, I can select that as well. I can also search on based on categories, job type like I told you before, and then project length, hours per week, client history. I mean, if I only want to work with those people who have already hired people on Upwork, I can select from here. Based on the client location, I can select on based on the client location, client time zone, or based on the connects needed. So now let's move on to the Upwork membership plans, which I actually forgot here, and that is Upwork membership plans. So let's move on to those. So in this Upwork membership and connect, I am my current membership is freelancer basic, but I can also update to upgrade to basically there are two plans available. One is a free plan and one is a paid plan. Currently I have 166 connects available, and each job require a different connects. Like once I was searching and showing to you that I can see jobs based on 2 or 6 connects, 4 connects. Like you can see this job requires 6 connects, even this job requires 6 connects. There's also option of boosting your proposal. Like if there are 100 proposals for each job and I want my bid to be shown on top, I can do that by spending more connects on it. So now you can see, like this is my current free plan, and there's a plus plan available which is $14.99, which has 80 connects available, where I can see competitor bids or jobs available. I can also see customized profile URL, and my profile will be never be hidden. But I personally do not recommend opting for a plus plan. I have tried using it, and I don't recommend it to use to you. You can offer a free plan, and in case if you are out of connects, you can buy more connects. Buying a connect is not difficult. All you have to do is you have to move on to your profile settings, and then to your membership plans, and you can buy connects over there. Here you just go to membership and connects section, and here is an option of buying connects. By basic I will be given 10 connects per month. So now the only part which is now left is start applying to jobs. So figure out that and start applying to jobs. I can even create a separate video on how to write a perfect proposal, but only in case you guys suggest me to write on that, I will write a detailed tutorial on how to write a winning proposal to get a job on Upwork. Again, that is not a granted formula, that can be helpful, but again, no, that is the thing which I learned over the time on after doing many proposals on what can be a perfect formula. But the perfect formula is your communication skills, how good you are at writing, how good you are at explaining and solving other people's problem, and that is actually the key to success. So not only on Upwork, in any field of our life, that is actually the thing, and that also applies over here as well. So with this, let me see if I'm missing any part which I plan to write on. No. Okay, so now the part is in conclusion and ending. So with this, I try to discuss about different ways, different ideas, different strategies on how to be successful on Upwork. So I hope you like my tutorial on Upwork tutorial for beginners. In case if you have any questions, comments or suggestions, you are more than welcome to drop in the comments box. I will be waiting for your comments. Thank you for watching my video. Thanks and bye bye.